It finally came. Hello? Yo, this is so cool! Whoa. That was close. Wait, what is happening? Ah! I can't skip again. They're gonna suspend me. Guess I gotta go to school like this.
Bro, I'm right here. What are you texting me for? Don't give it that sign language BS. Just tell me. Whisper it.
My voice is stuck like this.
You're serious. You're cooked, bro.
Yeah, bro, you're cooked.
Nobody's talking to you, bro.
Who even are you?
Alright, Tony, just don't talk the entire day.
What if I see Ashley though?
If you like her so much, don't embarrass yourself. Stay quiet.
Yo, what's good, Tony? You doing anything this weekend? Okay.
Hey Tony, my friend thinks you're really cute. She wanted me to tell you that.
Who?
Ashley, over there.
You gotta be kidding me.
Would you want to talk to her before class starts? Not even for a second. You're such a Why don't you want to come talk to her? Go yourself.
There goes my chances.
Alright, class, Mr. Orr has arrived! Tough crowd. Well, anyway, class, we have a lot to do today, so, yeah. What kind of planet is Neptune?
A gas giant.
That's right. Tony, what is the biggest planet in the solar system? Come on, you know it, just guess. I don't like your attitude. And if you don't answer, you're gonna fail the whole semester. Come on, what's the biggest planet?
The biggest planet is Jupiter.
Why are you talking like that?
I can't control it. Come on, not now. Achoo!
Bless you.
Ew! Yo, remember when you had autotune that one day?
Yeah, how could I forget?
That was funny, bro.
No, it wasn't. You know what is funny though?
What?
I actually have the autotune device with me today. Look,
Oh, damn.
here, try it out.
Testing! Whoa, this is so cool!
Yeah, I know, right? You good, bro?
Yeah! Oh no!